Hello everybody, here at Craft Habit for our weekly craft chat, and I'm really excited to have a guest today. This is Rohn Strong, who's here with us, and we're sitting in front of our new wall of yarn. We've got all this yarn that I'm super excited about, and even better, we have Rohn to teach you what to do with it.
Yay, yay.
Including me. So Rohn is an author and a teacher, and he works in crochet and knitting and other wonderful yarny crafts. We've got him on the schedule teaching an intro to punch needle, which I don't have a sample of, but we'll post them up later.
Yes.
He's also teaching beginner crochet and Tunisian crochet. And I want Ron to introduce himself a little bit too.
Okay, well, I'm Rohn Strong, and I live in Raleigh, and I've been designing professionally and teaching for, I think, 6 years now, 6 or 7 years. And I've written, I think, like 5 books. I don't remember it. I'm working at 5 because I'm working on my 6th right now. I have a TV show called Knit and Crochet Now where I'm the knitting expert. And I travel around the country and teach people how to crochet and how to knit and how to do punch needle and all that good stuff. Anything to do with yarn, I'm pretty much obsessed with. So.
Nice. Pom-poms?
Yes. Well, that's a little iffy, but...
That's okay. I'm the pom-pom expert around here.
I am not. I'm like, these take forever and 15 days. They make a mess. You got to cut them in a box. I'm just not about that life. So.
Oh my goodness, I'm going to give you a pom-pom tutorial.
Please.
Okay, but there's more things you have to teach me. Will you tell me about these hooks that you are holding in your hands right now?
Yeah, so these are Tunisian crochet hooks, which you guys sell here. These are made by my favorite company, which is Twin Birch Products. And they're made in Siler City, North Carolina, so they're pretty local, just about 45 minutes down the road from Raleigh. They're perfect. So Tunisian crochet is this amazing art, and it's a fusion of knitting and crochet and weaving and just a general like fabric making. And it's perfect for beginners, even people who have never picked up a crochet hook or people that have never knit or woven, weaved anything. Essentially what you do is you pick up loops and then you pull loops through other loops, and that sounds kind of weird, but you just keep doing it again and again, and then you're going to make this beautiful fabric that's unlike any other fabric that can be created. So this is an amazing tool. They come in different lengths. A standard length is 14 inches. They also come in 10 inches. They have double-ended ones that can go all the way up to, I think, 22 inches is the largest one. So, yeah, I really love these hooks, and I love Tunisian crochet. I've been doing it for a long time. I think 5 or 6 years. I've been crocheting for 23 years and Tunisian crocheting for 5 or 6. So,
is Tunisian crochet more suited to certain types of garments or makes than traditional crochet?
I think it works for pretty much everything. I don't think that it's necessarily suited, let's say, to like garments. I don't like it for garments, but I love it for wall hangings.
Okay.
I think for pillows and throws and blankets and stuff like that, it works for pretty much all sorts of things like that. So home accessories are where my heart is, and I think Tunisian crochet really amplifies and it allows kind of that piece to stand out in your home.
Nice.
So, yeah.
I'm going to show these up. So these look, I'm going to come close, and Erin, tell me if you can see this. This sort of looks like a knitting needle with a crochet hook on the end. Is that the frame? Yeah. So the double-ended ones, they have like a double crochet
Yeah, so they'll have a
end.
crochet hook on both ends.
And it feels great. It's very smooth.
So it has a stopper on the end, and that keeps all your loops on. So you have your Tunisian crochet hook on one side. You fill the loops up, and you can fit, I believe it's the standard is 3 times the length of your hook is how wide your finished piece can be.
Wow.
And the stopper will keep all your loops on the hook. It's got a little indentation so you can actually hold it while you're doing the Tunisian crochet. The double-ended have a hook on both sides, and the hooks are rotated 180 degrees. So you can pick up loops across and then finish them as you're working, so you can do Tunisian crochet in the round. That's really the only reason you need a double-ended is to work in the round, to do baskets or sweaters or even scarves or anything like that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. So Tunisian crochet, this class is coming up April 13th.
Yes.
2019, in case you're watching this from the future. And we hope you'll come. So yes, even if you don't know how to crochet, you can come and learn to Tunisian crochet. I hope to as well. Thank you so much, Ron.
Of course, anytime.
We're so happy to have you here.
I know, I'm excited. It's going to be a great class.
We'll see you there.
Bye, guys.
Bye.